In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Steam profile. So first, go ahead and open Steam on your computer and let everything load normally. Once you're on the main screen, look up to the top right corner where your profile name appears. That area gives you quick access to your account and profile settings. Go ahead and click your profile name, and a small drop-down menu will appear with several options you can choose from. From that menu, click View My Profile. This takes you directly to your Steam profile page, where your avatar, badges, activity, and profile layout are displayed. Give it a second to load if needed. Once you're on the page, look toward the right hand side where you'll find a menu with profile tools and customization options. Now click Edit Profile. This opens the section where Steam lets you personalize how your profile looks to you and everyone else. You'll notice multiple tabs and categories that control different parts of the profile, and we're going to move through the ones listed in your steps. First, select the Avatar tab. This is the section used for changing your profile picture. Once you open it, Steam will show the available images you can use, browse through the options and pick the one you want as your new profile picture. Once you've made your selection, click Save to apply the change. Give it a moment and your profile image should update. Now that your avatar is set, we'll move on to the overall style of the page. Navigate to the Theme tab in the same Edit Profile area. This section controls the visual theme of your Steam profile, which can change the overall look and feel of the page. Once you're inside the Theme tab, look through the available themes and choose the one you prefer. You can take a moment here and preview the choices if Steam shows them. Pick whichever one fits your style best, then click Save again to apply that new theme. At this point, both changes should be active, your profile picture will be updated, and your selected theme should now be visible across your profile page. You can go back to View My Profile and check how everything looks once it refreshes. If you ever want to change things again later, you can return to the same Edit Profile section and swap your avatar or theme anytime. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is, and that's it. A quick and simple way to customize your Steam profile so it looks more personal and matches the style you want while keeping everything managed directly inside Steam.